Hi guys, and welcome back to another video of TT Dog Gaming TDG, and as you saw by the title and thumbnail, we are going to be of course doing, as always, the vending machine challenge. Yep. So I'm just going to tell my friends they might be in the next vid. After this I'm doing the shotgun only challenge. So guys, I'm so sorry, it's been ages since I've done a video, but it's just, like, I've been catching up on lots of family business. I might be sorting out merch, guys. Merch, that's what, right, merchandise is what I'm sorting. Yeah, so all I'm allowed to pick up from people is consumable or meds. Consumable or meds, and I can only pick them up, but I'm allowed to pick, and then I'm only allowed to get guns from vending machines. So as always, I'm going to a football stadium because it usually has best vending machines, has a chance of free. Oh, I see a vending machine already. Ammo. Oh, minis. Okay, guys. I'm at a football pitch. My friends are saying they want to go football pitch. So hunting rifle minis. Okay, I'm going to try and go for the hunting rifle. So, my brother's been flipping annoying. He's trying to do ukulele. I really hate him. No, I don't really hate him. He's just annoying. So I'm collecting up some wood for the hunting rifle. Try and get some no scopes. Hopefully this will be a win. If this is a win, I'm gonna do like 500 days in Tesco, or something like that. Okay, there we go. Some bandos. It's good for meds. Oh no, this is bad. Really need some a better weapon. Can't always no scope, and I've barely got any ammo. What is my kit? Oh, attack. Oh, this is so sad. I just really want to pick it up. So much ammo, but I'm not allowed to pick it up. Pistol. Can't even pick a pistol up. Oh, yes, ammo. Any more vending machines? Oh god, guys, I'm really sorry I haven't been doing a video. It's been quite a while. So yeah. already said that. But, oh no, I'm going to be going against people who have shotguns, and then I just have this. That's what I'm worried about mainly. So I'll say, guys. Oh no, yep, 34th, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so I think that's round 1 of vending machine. Now I am going to be doing forgot. Yeah, shotgun only. So 2 challenges as 1. Shotgun only. This is probably going to be much better round. And this is going to be my last round. So I hope you enjoy. My friend keeps on leaving me, which is very annoying. So guys, yeah. Oh, he's got a hunting rifle. So guys, we are just getting ready for the shotgun only challenge. See if I can find a shotgun. Shotgun. Practice my shooting. Just build. And then... So guys, that means... no ARs, no SMGs. Oh my god, I ran out of ammo. So guys, this is going to be the last round. Yes, we're in the lobby. I feel like I tilted for the last round of a video. I'm probably going to do a video, 2 more videos this week. If I don't, guys, I have to eat the most sour sweets ever. I'm going to buy some warheads. Well, they're not most sourest, but I will buy warheads. And I will eat, not 10, probably 5. If I don't get 1 kill. Yep, I said it. Shotgun on a roof. Perfect. Big shield, baby. And if you guys haven't seen these, there's some those. Oh no. Oh my god, I love the pie. I love that. Oh my god, I love that weapon. Guys, I love the hunting rifle. It's my favourite weapon. And I can't even use it. And I barely have any ammo. Oh my god. Nope. Not today. 2 kills, baby. Let's go. shotguns. Oh no. I really need some ammo. I'm dying for ammo right now. Oh my god. Ammo, ammo, I need ammo so bad. Ammo or another shotgun. Should be beautiful. I might do some double pumping. Well, my friend's trying to invite me. Bro, I'm doing video for my fans. So guys, someone's here guys. Another kill on the line. I might for this. No, 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 not allowed. Picked that up by accident. Oh, I see someone. Oh no. If I run out of ammo during the middle of a fight, I'm going to literally scream. Oh my god, I need some ammo. Shells. How hard is it? How hard is it to find some shells? Plungers. I can use these. Why won't it let me edit my own building? There we go. Oh no guys, damn it. Oh my god, that was so sad, but never mind. But thank you so much guys. Oh yeah, the scarf. Legend. So thank you so much guys for watching another video of Gaming TDG. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and see you in the next one. Bye.